My name is Sarah, and we're going to take you away from your regularly scheduled Fridays at Frontline for a little field trip today. We're very fortunate by having our headquarters in Maryland that we're right here at Fort McHenry. And I figured what better time to come up and take a little field trip than going into 4th of July weekend. As you know, Fort McHenry is where our National Anthem was written. But that National Anthem wasn't written until years and years after we declared our independence on the 4th of July. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a very patriotic person, and I pretty much bleed red, white, and blue. I actually went into the Air Force after high school, was an Army wife for a really long time, and even have a son in the military now. So when I came up with the name Frontline Mobile Tech, I wanted to make sure that it represented those people on the front line that we really want to be a resource to. And of course that means our public safety personnel, our fire, EMS, and law enforcement, but it also means those healthcare workers. It means the grocery store employees. It means those over-the-road truckers that are bringing us our food, and even the utility workers that are out there keeping our power and water going. Here we are in 2020, and the land of the free and the home of the brave has taken on a whole new meaning. As a country, we're still kind of in our infancy compared to many countries around the world, and we still have a lot to learn and a lot of battling to do. And just as our national anthem was written years and years after our independence, because there was a lot of battling going on to truly get that independence, we're going to see those same types of fights have to go on to get to our new normal. I just hope that as we battle to get there, we battle as a country, remembering on that foundation that we really are the land of the free and the home of the brave. Thank you for tuning in again this Friday and joining us on our field trip. I hope you all have a great 4th of July weekend, get to celebrate your Independence Day, and just truly enjoy the family and fun. Make sure you check us out on social media and comment below for some swag. We look forward to seeing you next time.